Want to show upcoming events on your website in just a few clicks? With Eventin, you can create a clean and dynamic event listing in minutes, no coding needed. In this video, we're going to see how you can create an event listing on your WordPress site using Eventin. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get timely updates. Now let's get started. First, head over to the events page. If you haven't created any events yet, we recommend creating 2 or more to see how this feature works. We've already created some sample events. Next, go to the Shortcode page and click on the Event Shortcode option. Here, select the template you want to use for the listing and configure the settings as needed. Once everything is set, click the Generate Shortcode button and copy the code. You can now paste this code on an existing page or create a new one. Paste the shortcode, save the changes, and check the page. And yes, the listing is showing up nicely. If you want to display your event listing in the main menu, go to Appearance, then Menus. Add the page to your menu and hit Save. And there you go. Your upcoming events page is now live. We hope this short tutorial helped you learn more about using Eventin. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, stay with us and follow our social channels. Thanks for watching.